Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another made from scratch, and this time we're doing the vanilla kitty cookies. So a different variation of the ones I've done previously. Same instructions, you have the dough, you mix it together, you roll it out, stamp it, let it set. It says 15 minutes. I let mine sit way longer until they start lifting from that mat, and then you can decorate them. So these look cute. It's a different stamper than the chocolate kitty ones. So we have a mat to roll them on. It does not stick to this, which is perfect. This is our drying mat. We also have a table. This is the stamper. So this is the same, but we have a paw print and a different cat face than what we've seen before. That's cute. I like the paw print. This has our rolling pin and tweezers. Our icing this time is pink. And then we have the dough. So we are going to get to mixing these. I just normally cut it in half. And in case you don't know, don't try mixing this on a silicone mat because it will completely stick to it. It has to be this mat that it won't stick to. And I do have extra mats from the previous cookie ones that I've done, so I'm going to make them all at once because of that. But otherwise, you can just put this other half back in the bag and put it in something so it's airtight, and then just make the rest a different time. But you just mix it and knead it until all those colors are blended and you can't see the streaks of the other colors. So that should be good. Kind of looks like cheese from the spray can, which is kind of funny. But roll it in a rectangular shape. It doesn't have to be perfect, especially if you have other mats. You can kind of spread them out and make them as thin or thick as you want. I think that's pretty good. I'll just avoid the sides because those are thinner. And get my cookie cutter. And just go down, making cat faces. I don't know if I could fit one there. I don't think I'm gonna risk it. I'm just gonna re-roll it. Should really do it off to the side so when it comes out, there's more room. No biggie. Like I said, I have tons of these mats, so it really doesn't matter a whole lot. Last time I crammed a whole bunch on the mat anyways. A little thick over there, but you should have enough to make at least 12. I think in the past I've made like 14 because you're going to need 2 to make a cookie sandwich. And just keep rolling it till they're all done, and then you could stamp your design in it. Okay, so it made exactly 12. Which equals 6 cookies. There's just this little bit left over that I normally roll into like, kind of like a biscuit or a cookie shape, and I let dry for my daughter. Now, let's do half of them in this cute little winky face, and the other half with the paw print. And you don't have to press very hard, but I would maybe suggest not rolling it so much, but just kind of making sure it's equal pressure. And then they turn out pretty nicely. So I need to do 3 more like this. And then we'll do 3 of the paw. Those are very cute. That one I didn't press so well. Let's see if I do it better this time. All right, that's a little better. I guess I don't really love the paw print as much as I thought I would, but that's okay. I'm going to finish doing these, let them dry, and then I'll be back to ice them with you. I've let these set for about an hour, and they still feel soft, but you'll know that it's okay to move them. I don't know how to really describe it. They kind of keep their consistency, but they don't feel like sticky. But if I took my nail and like went like that, it would probably leave a mark in them, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to transfer them on here, and then again, let them set just so the bottoms can start to dry. I don't use a spatula because when I first did it, it did kind of smush up some of my cookies. So I'm just going to leave them like that with my hands, and I'll be back to ice them when they're dry. All right, should be ready. There is a little cap thing over the glue. So I guess I can do a cat face and then a paw. That would be cute. But I think I might just match them together. Do I have a spout? I guess I will. Might as well. And I'm gonna just kind of outline and try to put an even layer. And then put the top half on. Now I didn't bring my toothpick, but I will grab one, I think, to clean off the part that's sticking up that I don't want shown necessarily. Just gently squeezing it. There we go. That's pretty even. I'll again look at it from like eye level to make sure, but I think that's good. Then you move on to the next one. And then we're gonna let these set for at least, I don't remember what it said, 15 or 20 minutes before you could handle them better. Let's do a hand paw print. There we go, and we'll do this one. There we go. And I just have not too many left from this collection, I don't think. I never found the panda cake that looks very cute. What else am I missing from here? I've done, well, I need the pink cookies, the pink sunshine ones, because I've done the other ones. We did the vanilla cats, the chocolate cats, espresso pie, both of the cupcakes. Ooh, we haven't done the bundt cake though. The mini one or the big one. So that one. Both those we need to find. We've done the happy birthday cake. We did the tiered confetti cake. I still need, yeah, those brownies. Those come in a cool little square silicone tray, I think. So I haven't seen that yet. Hope to get those. I ordered a bunch and they were pretty much all duplicates. And it wasn't until I opened the last one that I realized that there was actually bump codes. I was thinking this series didn't have bump codes for some reason, and they totally do. So, I have not seen them in store yet though, but once they come to store, maybe I'll have better luck with that. Let's put a little dollop on here. And then we will let those dry. And I'll be back to show you what they look like when they've hardened. Here's how they turned out. So it made exactly 6 cookie sandwiches. You can see that one's real thin and then real thick. But this one's pretty evenly rolled. They're very cute. The glue or whatever the substance is on the inside is no longer sticky, but they still have like a squishy like texture to them. They're very cute. So we have the paw prints and then the faces. Out of 10, I don't remember what I rated the other cookies. I'd say maybe like an 8 because I feel like they're very easy to make for this series. And yeah, super cute. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and follow me on Facebook for Miniverse news. Bye guys!